Get acquainted with the 2021 Ford EcoSport. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Ford EcoSport, the small SUV that's big on technology. Passenger-friendly, maneuverable, stylish, and great for hauling cargo. It's an ideal family car. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, blind spot monitor. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have the advantages of the latest smart tech as well? Treat yourself to a test drive in the EcoSport. We'll toss you the keys and give you an excellent customer experience.